Ever wondered how to make the perfect pasta dough with semolina flour? It's a question that has puzzled many a home cook. But fear not, because today we're going to unravel the mystery behind this Italian culinary staple. Step 1. Gather the ingredients. To make pasta dough with semolina flour, you'll need 2 cups of semolina flour, half a cup of all-purpose flour, a pinch of salt, and 2 large eggs. You'll also need some water, but the amount can vary, so keep a cup handy. Step 2. Mix the dry ingredients. Take the semolina flour, all-purpose flour and salt, and combine them in a large bowl. Give them a quick stir to ensure they're thoroughly mixed. This is the foundation of your pasta dough. Step 3. Add the eggs. Make a well in the center of your flour mixture and crack in the eggs. Now here's where things get a little hands-on. You'll need to use your fingers to gradually mix the eggs into the flour. It might seem a bit messy at first, but keep going until you have a rough, crumbly dough. Step 4. Knead the dough. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and start to knead. This is a critical step in developing the gluten in the flour, which gives the pasta its characteristic chewiness. Knead for about 10 minutes until the dough is smooth and elastic. If it's too dry, add a little water. If it's too sticky, add a touch more flour. Step 5. Rest the dough. Once you've finished kneading, wrap the dough in plastic and let it rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This allows the gluten to relax and makes the dough easier to roll out. Step 6. Roll and shape the pasta. After resting, divide the dough into 4 pieces. Working with 1 piece at a time, roll the dough out as thin as possible, then cut or shape it into your desired pasta shape. So, to summarize, you start by mixing semolina flour, all-purpose flour and salt, then add eggs to form a dough. After kneading and resting, the dough is ready to be rolled out and shaped into pasta. It's a simple process, but one that rewards patience and care with delicious homemade pasta. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making pasta dough with semolina flour. With a little practice, you too can master this Italian culinary staple. So why not give it a try? After all, nothing beats the satisfaction of homemade pasta.